Today we'll be exploring an attractively unique two-story terrace house located at Burhanuddin Helmi, TTDI. Land area 24 feet by 75 feet, priced at 1.6 million. This charming home maintains its original layout, offering a classic appeal with standout features.
One of the most intriguing aspects of this Helmi two-story is the centrally located staircase. This quaint feature is complemented by a skylight that channels natural light into the spacious living area, creating a warm and inviting ambience. As we move into the dining area, you'll notice a charming serving hatch, reminiscent of those you often see in British TV shows. It's a delightful touch that adds character to the home. Adjacent to the dining area is the kitchen, designed for practicality and convenience. At the back, there's a guest bedroom accompanied by a bathroom, perfect for visitors or as an additional space for various needs. Heading upstairs, you'll find a generously sized family living hall that flows seamlessly into the 3 bedrooms. The bedrooms are notably spacious thanks to the pitch ceilings, which add both volume and charm. The master bedroom comes with an attached bathroom. The 2 smaller bedrooms at the back share a bathroom.
This house offers incredible potential, blending classic design with unique features. If you'd like to see this house in person to envision how it can become a dream home, please get in touch with us today. Remember to head on to our website to check out our latest listings, and I'll see you next Wednesday on my next video.